plans for today is to go ahead and go up the mast and install a anchor light combination with a tricolor light. It's very hot outside. To keep myself reasonably cool in this tropical environment, I've got something called a froggy dog. I'll place that over my head and it will provide evaporation cooling to help keep me cool while I'm up there. Fairly easily, it's like putting on a bandana. You've got it fairly long and you just give it a good tie. And at this point right here, I'll usually go ahead and get one of my buffs and put it on my head, which will help to make it cool just a bit longer and also provide some shade over my back of my neck a little bit better. Alright, for my little adventure going up the top of the mast, which I've done many times before in the past, I've got several things that I'm going to bring with me. I've got a top climber. I will be sitting in this seat when I'm at the top of the mast, and I've got the prize of today, which is the masthead light that I will be installing. It's a signal mate. It's will use a lot less electricity than what we've used before in the past, and it's got a light sensing diode that will turn it on and off. It'll turn it on at night automatically and turn it off at dawn automatically. The tools that I hope are all the tools that I will need to go ahead and do this little procedure today. I've got a rope. It's my dedicated rope. This rope is used for nothing more than going up the mast. I've had it for several years. It's still in almost new condition because it never gets used for anything except going up the mast, because I want to have the best I can. And the most important thing, my directions. Make sure that I install it properly, and if it's not working, maybe I can figure out why before I have to go back down. I'm about ready to go ahead and climb the mast. I went ahead and tied my two lines together. My red one that I've always been using, like I was telling you before. And the other one is a Spectra line, which I picked up when I was in South Africa. It is extremely strong, and between these two ropes, this is what I'm going to be betting that my life on, because anytime you go up the mast, you really are having possibility of having a bad problem, and you just have to make sure that everything that you do is such that you don't end up with a bad problem. Test it a little bit higher though, sitting on the ground. Just making sure nothing breaks. And it's okay. that didn't work. It didn't work. No, none of it worked. None of it worked, okay? Well, I think maybe I made a mistake as to the way that was wired together, is what I'm thinking. No, it's not. I might be up here for a little while. I might be up here for a little while. No, I'm trying to connect it a different way. I'm trying to connect it a different way while I'm up here. And I could be up here for a while, darling. All right, we're ready to test the lights one last time before we get ready to go. I've straightened up a little bit of the wiring that was here. I think we're ready to go. Okay, there's the anchor lights. Anchor lights are good. Tricolor lights are good too. We're gone.